Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. PK96 here, and I'm gonna show you how to install a new map update or to get Apple Carplay or Android Auto on your Veloster Turbo like mine or any Hyundai cars from 2008 to 2020. So let's get started. The first thing you need is a laptop or a PC. You gotta go to Google. After you go to Google, you have to search up My Hyundai, just like that. Click it, log in, wait for it to load. So first thing you're gonna need after you get to this page is you're gonna need your VIN number right here under welcome, your name, then your car's name if you have your car's name. My car's name is Vitsi. Then your VIN number, you're gonna have to copy this. Copy. Then you're gonna scroll down to Hyundai Resources. You're gonna click to how to update your vehicle. Then you're gonna go down. This is all the options you can have, but this is not updated. This is the old version on how to do it. So you're gonna get to this page right here. Click the www.mopandsoft.com, that link. You're gonna have to create an account if you don't have one. Not the same as your My Hyundai, so you're gonna have to create one. After you create one, you're gonna have to sign in. Then it'll take you to another page, which is this. You can search up your car model, which is mine is 2016 Veloster. It can go all the way down to 2008 right there. And okay, then search up your car's name. Make sure you put USA if you are in the USA and Canada if you are in Canada. Oh wait, you see, I already messed up right there. It's not Elantra, it's supposed to be Hyundai. I'm in Veloster, Jesus. Okay, Veloster. Right there. So it'll give you all of this new feature guide. So this update is gonna have the new version, which is right here. Okay, this is the new version. It's gonna look somewhat like that. If you guys want to see this, go ahead and check it out. So your VIN number is gonna be right there. Paste it, agree, and add to cart. So after you add it to your cart, go to checkout. Okay, so you're gonna have to put all your information here, right? So, and then